Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? What's good, what's good, what's good? Good morning. What's good, what's good, what's good? Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Good morning, money team. How goes it? How goes it? How goes it? How goes it? Window capture. Thinkorswim. All right. How's everybody's morning been? Seven. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Check, check, check. All right, let's get it. All right, good morning, TikTok. Good morning, YouTube. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is simulated trading to the TikTok algorithm. We're just having fun. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. And again, this is all simulated trading and not financial advice. Just here having fun, hanging out, catching a vibe together. Watching some green and red candlesticks. This is an authentic and real-time live. And nothing said here is financial advice. Nothing said here. All right, what's good, everybody? Jdun is coming back slowly. We're coming back. We're just waiting on Gene. Jdun is on the way today. Jdun showed up yesterday. That's for sure. That is for sure. That was a good trade yesterday, everybody. It was solid. See what they will give us today. See if we can get another nice setup like we got yesterday. Those money bags. Love when that happens. Good morning, everyone coming in on TikTok. I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that like button, tapping that screen over and over. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading for the algo. Let us trade in peace. Well, let's see where the market is. We are trending up pre-market a little bit. Right at 26,000. We'll see where that goes. I don't have a daily bias yet. I almost rarely have a daily bias. I don't have a daily bias. My daily bias is y'all should hit DOD today and go to the gym. That's my daily bias. Maybe we got to ask Grandma. She knows. Grandma's got the winning bias usually. Grandma's always got the winning bias. Don't. Yeah, Nana's got to call the market makers. Let them know. Let them know we're here. We're ready to make some money. I had a great night's sleep, guys. Honestly, it was incredible. I woke up ready to make some moolah. My daily bias, we're going to make some money today. That's my bias. Because we're going to execute well, choose DOD, and make some money. I recommend. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Off. Good morning, everybody. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling ready to rock and roll, ready to make some money. I'm putting it in the chat. The prop firm deal of the morning is Alpha Futures. They are now 20% off. I personally like their advanced accounts. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. So I just put that link in chat. You guys can use code Jdun. Get 20% off. Trade up to 3 accounts at a time. How much should I make a month before getting a Lambo? You should be able to buy it like 3 times. I don't like Lucid. Tradeify is way better. You're much better off choosing Tradeify than Lucid. Better rules, better plans. Yep. You can use code Jdun too if you feel like supporting. I appreciate you more than you know. Hopefully you guys have gotten value from my recent videos on YouTube. Got another banger coming next week. In the lives every day, we go hard. I do have IG. It's Jdun Trades. That's where I answer questions. That's where I answer all questions. All right, Team Bull, we got 10 minutes till market open. Up and awake, baby. We sure are. Up, awake, and ready to get that cake. Let's see. Today. Let's get it. Let's make ourselves some money today. I had a great workout yesterday. I have some chest. I have plans to do the same deal today. Keep the momentum moving. Keep the momentum flowing. How was everyone's morning, Team Bull? We gonna catch a winner today? We're gonna catch a big old winner.
Morning, guys. Back.
Howdy.
How's everyone? I got my coffee. Ready to trade.
I'm waiting on Gene for my coffee. That's when I morph from Jdun to Paydun. We morph from Jdun who showed up to Paydun, who's working to get all y'all paid. Good morning till now, DOD. That's right. That's right. Yes, sir.
Enter that box on the left side.
The deal of the day, guys, if you guys have an Alpha Futures account, they are 20% off now. So if you guys want to trade futures with me, you can get an Alpha Futures funded account for 20% off using code Jdun. I recommend the advanced plan. There's no consistency on funded.
Silver and box, yellow box. Here, it's a line, it's very nice hot box. And the cut box, the beautiful guitars there. Just making my coffee. Misty straight. Silver. Could have been a retirement.
Let's get the pull up too. Yep, I'll be in Miami this weekend for Max's event, for one of my friend Big Daddy Max's event. I will be in Miami this weekend. Gonna start blaring Miami by Will Smith. I'm going to Miami. Dude, every time I go to Miami, the weather sucks. Literally every time I go, it is cloudy with no sunshine. Literally every time. Thought it was supposed to be the sunshine state. Nope. Yup. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. If you guys are ready to make some moolah today, if you're on the YouTube and you come every day, maybe it's your first time, maybe it's your first week, I appreciate you hitting that thumbs up. Get that good karma move button moving. Move button. Button moving. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get up to at least 100 minimum. And second, if you're on TikTok, make sure y'all tap that screen over and over. Let's get those likes moving. Show the algo you love these lives. Show your boy you want more DOD and you want more winning trades. Come on. Get those likes moving. I appreciate y'all when we're not in trades here and there, hitting that screen over and over, getting those likes up. I do my best to help y'all for free every single day. I appreciate y'all returning the favor, coming, learning, choosing DOD, hitting that like button. We got 3 minutes till open, everybody.
All right, Team Wolf, let's do this. Got about 1:30 left.
Let's get it. What's up, bro?
Good morning.
How's it going, man?
Good morning, Greg.
Morning, Gracie.
Let's make some money today, baby.
Good.
Let's make some moolah. Oh, the Discord works. It's just that if you want to get the Zoom link, it's a paid feature. There's on occasion we'll open up some of the premium features on YouTube, but the Zoom and all the other chats in the Discord are paid. It's like the cost of a cup of coffee a day. But lucky for you, I got 2 free streams every day, YouTube and TikTok. Double whammy to help y'all in the community out. I got you. Let's get it, y'all. Market's about to open in 1 second. We're open. Market is open. Market is open, baby.
No pressure day, Jdun, but I'm going heavy on whatever you call.
Yeah. All right. Well, that would have worked out well yesterday. That was a good trade. You end up having a winner yesterday, too?
I overtraded yesterday. I made money, but still.
Bro said,
I'm proud of it.
I overtraded.
I know what it was. My routine was off. And anytime my routine's off, I just make for a weird day.
I'm going to wait almost for sure these first 15, 20 minutes. Like every day. It's almost guaranteed I wait the first 20 minutes every day to trade. Almost guaranteed. Not 100% guaranteed, but there's a very high probability every morning that I'm going to wait. It's just better off that way. My edge increases. Win rate increases. I mean, everything is just better for my system when I wait. I think I hear Gene. Let's see here. I'm going to stream for like 2 hours today, too. So I'll be on live with y'all on Team Bull for 2 hours. We got a long morning together ahead of sitting and waiting. Oh. Hello.
The stuff is gone.
What?
All the stuff is gone.
What stuff? Oh, I know. Feels nice right here, huh? I know you're really bummed about that, huh? What? I got the toothpicks out today. What do y'all remember the OG Jdun toothpicks? I still got these puppies every day.
Launching top of the box.
You guys see that for individual names, they're bringing out a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday expiration dates. Tesla, NVIDIA, AMD, Meta. I might bring me back to trading a lot more individuals. You see that, Grizzly? Bro's MIA.
You take something, Jdun? I missed what you said.
Sandy, did you see that they're bringing out 3 different expirations every week for a lot of individual names like Tesla, NVIDIA, AMD? So there'll be expiration.
You were telling me this morning. I didn't know it until
I think it'll make for better individual stock trading. Because sometimes I don't like trading Tesla with options when it's like a Monday or Tuesday and it's weekly options because they're really expensive.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with it.
So I think it'll be really nice for individual names that you maybe want to trade like a 2 or 3 day out. Or we just wake up on a Monday morning and we're like, you know what? Let's start the week off with some energy. Let's rip some 0 DTE Tesla.
We're inside the box, but I don't want to take the shots now because still they're gonna go up to grab more liquidity.
We got an aggressive move below this pre-market low here on NASDAQ. Retesting this area. I'm not going to participate if we continue down here. I'm going to wait for my first 15-minute range.
It's not turning back. Now go up, grab more liquidity so we can take the position. We're almost reaching out of the box.
As a reminder, guys, I'm live in 2 places. I'm live on the U to the Tube with full screen share, and I'm live on a free live stream on TikTok for free streams. I have the paid stream in Team Bowl as well, but for free streams, those are the 2 places I'm live. If you're on the TikTok, you can go to my U to the Tube, Jdun Trades for full screen share. All right. Tesla's earnings this week, huh? Is that right, Grizzly? You have your earnings calendar?
Nice catch. 3K, beautiful. 3.9. Enjoy the profit, man. Beautiful money.
Sorry, Jdun. I was looking for a setup here. Looking at a setup.
I like that retest we got of that pre-market low, but it was just too early in the day.
It'd been perfect if it had been.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. This candle with this volume leading into this right here. Oh, money bags. Just put the stop above here, a little higher risk, like 40 points versus 30, but setup looks good if it's later in the day, for sure. For sure, for sure.
I think we'll get a trade today. Nice setup.
I do too. If you guys want to trade futures with me, everybody, Alpha Futures is 20% off. They have some of the most trader-friendly plans. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures Advanced Plan. You can use code JDUN for 20% off. I just posted the link in chat. That's the prop firm deal of the day. Would, well,
I was expecting position to take the shots. To be honest. I'm expecting go up. Which again 9.75, 9.67. Probably take the shots. Yes, not bad.
like the 6-1 area, 60 area for possible shorts.
Let's see what we get. If you took the shots early on the enter of the pop, so keep it tight. In case they decide to go, it's trying to grab liquidity, so your stop loss must be hit off now. If you make money with the box, post your game, please. Shh. Yeah.
Rebounding
Take the position.
this back up. Let's see what we get.
What is it? Still not 15 minutes in. I'll stick to my original plan. I'm not taking a trade till 15 minutes. 15-minute range is it?
No trades on individuals for me. Tesla's very weak. No retest back up there. NVIDIA weak too.
Like to see maybe a little more from 975. Perhaps some liquidity can go inside the box again. So I'm expecting. Look at this.
Coming back above pre-market low now. See the volume looks. Bro said, my therapist told me due to my ADHD, I have very little dopamine, so I need my dopamine. Good, healthy dopamine. You need healthy dopamine. You need earned dopamine, not cheap dopamine. You taking any trades this morning, Gene? You're not going to trade? Why? What? You got a big payout coming?
For my entry. This is for my entry. My stop loss will be at 87.
It's a good entry on that, Greg. I like that entry. I can't take it because I said I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. Good low day. Push down.
Thank you.
Do it.
I think the 5-minute looks good.
You have 10 a.m. data as well.
Yes.
That's a good question. Yeah, what data do we have?
Stop loss is still at 87. I haven't trimmed yet. I'm playing, but a little bit more. Trim anytime you want. Don't wait for me. If you took the trade.
What'd you say your stop was? I can't hear you.
87. 825. 987.
987. Okay.
Holding below pre-market low looks good for shorts. See if it continues. Every day you choose discipline, it's a winning day. Every day that you rock with DOD and you tell yourself DOD on every entry that you take, on every entry that you think taking, and you execute, that's a winning day. I will repeat that every single day in 2026 until each of you reaches your trading goals and improves in your system as a whole.
What's silver at this morning?
It was cranking yesterday when it dropped heavy.
Yeah, they still in this shit. He's in the stock. It's 987.
It's at 109. I'm going to trade 10 minis of silver. Wouldn't that be crazy?
Feeling brave this morning?
Yeah, feeling ambitious. Yo, as a reminder, TikTok, if you're on the live stream, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single morning, give my exact trades, my exact education, and help you become confident in your ability to trade on your own. So I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. If you're looking to learn how to trade, if you're a new trader, or if you're an advanced trader, I'm also live on the U to the Tube. Jdun trades with full screen share. So my YT channel has so much value, so much education, and live trading every day.
Rose as bad as I am. How about you?
I'm waiting for the 15-minute range. I'm not going to take anything likely below in the middle of this. If we get a build above this 15-minute high, I wouldn't mind taking an orb setup on the retest. Above 26,000, above 26,011. If we get strong volume to the upside, I'm open to that. That would be my main watch for upside. It is a break above that level and a retest. Whew. Some silver. Thing has just been gunning.
I think I've convinced my daughter to sell some of her silver.
Yeah.
It's the 100-ounce bars, you know, so good money.
Damn. That is good money.
I paid like 2,000 something for them when I bought them.
Damn. Those are up.
Oh yeah.
Big time.
Everyone thinks
That's awesome. I passed my 50K and 100K eval on Apex last week with DOD. Keep doing your thing, Jdun. Let's go.
Greg Stop is he's still in this trade.
Wait,
He's in this stock.
well, this week,
Yeah, still
or today, I should say, our
87.
prop firm funding deal of the day is Alpha Futures, guys. They have great accounts. I recommend their 50K or 150K advanced account.
Shrimps and bars keep runners. That's hilarious. What am I doing?
Right back in the middle of this range.
Topa, guys.
Right back in the middle of this range. Just waiting. No trades yet. No trades. A little bit of DOD. A little bit of DOD. Actually, a lot of DOD. All the DOD in the world.
Yeah, guys. I said stop out.
All right, let's see if we can get a strong move above this 26,000 and also above this 15-minute high at 26,011 area. That's my main watch right now for longs. I'm not going long right now, guys. I'm watching if we can confirm the setup to the upside. Build a base above 26,000. Build a base above this 15-minute high up here. I'll look for longs and target this pre-market high and then new highs. We also have FOMC tomorrow too, so there is always the possibility that we just chop into FOMC. All right, we might get it. Let's see. If we close this candle strong up here, I really hope we don't take out pre-market high before. If we wick this pre-market high, it makes things a little different. But if we close, say right here, we have a minute 30 left in this candle. I'll wait for the retest back down to this candle to 26,000. Try the longs with stops below like 980. That's my plan at this moment. That could change if we test this pre-market high. 26,066. We can honestly even like put our stops a little lower, like 65, because we have pre-market low there. Oh no, don't take out pre-market high. The trade's not completely invalid if we take it out, but it's definitely less probability of working out for sure. Hurts our odds for sure. Setup's almost basically invalid, guys. Setup is basically invalid. That's a bummer for sure. I thought they were going to stop us here. I mean, even we do have, it's technically, we could still look at this for a mixture of the 50% retracement and the 2-bar setup here. But we just took out pre-market high, so that's a little frustrating for sure. We'll watch. If we get the pullback down to 26,000 in this area, maybe just put a little less size on, a little less risk, and have like a 20-point stop. Knowing damn well that we already took out pre-market high. If we get that pullback back down, if you're on the free live stream on TikTok, guys, go to my YouTube for the full screen share. Jdun trades. Well, that's a bummer, guys. I wanted us to get that retest first and then go target those highs. We also have news in 4 minutes as well. We have news. We have consumer confidence in 4 minutes. Technically 3.5 minutes. All right, come on. Give me a pullback into this candle. 26,000 area. It is higher risk because we took out pre-market high, but I'm still open to the setup. If I like what I see, I'll take the longs around 26,000 with stops below. Less risk, 980. A little more risk, 965. Those are our two options. Those are our two options today. How was Asia session, Gene? How was your live? Did it get restricted?
No, I didn't go live.
Oh. Why not?
Because I wasn't on that long.
Oh.
The market was moving so slow.
Yeah, it's FOMC week, so it might move slow.
I wasn't sure. I think I'm going to watch only gold this evening.
It's not going to give us that pullback, which sometimes it doesn't. Like, here's the deal is we could have price action today look like this. We get this move up. We know that we want to see that pullback for that higher low. And if we slowly just see this, I will happily miss this whole move up because it didn't fit my system. I'm a day trader, not a trade every day, have to catch every trade trader. That's the difference in mentality from when I first started. And where I'm at now is a very disciplined trader. We also closed above pre-market high. with lowering volume and less candle. That's a little sketchy. I'm still open to this 26,000 area. I'm.
Jay, did you see that previous 5 minutes?
Yeah, well, sketchy a little bit, huh? I'm still open to my bias or my idea of longs at 26,000. If it doesn't work, I'll start the day 0 for 1. I still like the idea. That's my only watch right now.
I just hope this pre-market high is not the area it's going to bounce from. Hope we pull back to that. I'm going to take my entry on longs around 26,012.
Yep, I like that area too.
I'll stop up below VWAP there at 980 area.
It's only been 30 minutes, guys. This is your 30 minutes and a reminder to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD. It's good, Tyler. Miami's coming, bro. I'll be there on Thursday evening. The weather's going to be terrible, though. Literally, bro, every time I come to Miami, the weather sucks. I'm like, bad luck for the weather there. Let's see if there's any updates. See that rain, Gene, or the weather, Gene?
Yeah.
Raining Friday and Saturday.
Yeah, very cold. You stay in Mountain.
Gene will be in Miami too, so will Brandon.
It says 50 degrees in Miami today.
It's going to be raining. That makes me not even want to go.
50 degrees in Miami doesn't seem like Miami to me, you know?
I want to just stay here and drive my.
It's crazy.
I want to stay here and hang out with
I bet there's
Mr. Gene.
other trees everywhere down there.
Chill.
Have you all seen that? When it gets cold, there's one that's fall.
What? What'd you say?
I said when it gets cold in South Florida, you know, they have all the iguanas that like get still from this falling out of trees.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah. Can I bring one home?
Want to bring an iguana home?
Yeah.
Don't you guys have those in Mexico?
Yeah.
It'd just be like walking around like a 2-foot iguana fly by you down there.
Grizzly, no fighting bouncers.
That's no fight for me. I'm done with it.
Still waiting, guys. We got the retest of this pre-market high, but there's no way I'm taking this retest with this weak candle right here. No way, no how. No how, no way. Well, so far, no trades, guys. I was watching for that retest back down to this green line here. If you're watching the screenshot of this 26,000 area, it has not given us that. Therefore, I am not taking any trades. We didn't even get the retest to the 50% retracement for the potential 2-bar setup. Which is a bummer for sure. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, right now, Alpha Futures is 20% off. It's the closest prop firm to Top Step, but better in my opinion. You get trade of 8. You can use code Jdun for 20% off. I recommend the advanced 50K or 150K accounts. If you guys support me, you rock with me, use code Jdun.
The bouncer story, Jdun.
Go get yourself an account. So when you're ready to take the next trade,
For me. Too many drinks. And me just doesn't work out sometimes.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ron. You're listening to a different live stream. I didn't buy no Porsche. I don't know what y'all are talking about.
What happened? I was starting a fight in Miami with some bouncers.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know 3 of them. One broke my nose.
Y'all are all absurd. All right, guys, let's watch this. Let's see if we get this pull back down.
Watching for this entry here. I don't even remember if I looked at them, honestly. A long time ago. All right.
26,010 to 26,000 is what I'm watching. Even with 2-bar, we'd have to be, down there too. So if this ends up being the pullback we get, I will not enter early. Need my levels to define my risk. It could be an early entry here, but there's just unfortunately too much risk for me to enter right there.
Hopefully it don't bounce as an Asia high.
Yeah, that's the worry. $26,000 area. I'm gonna try some longs. If we get down there. I'll have my stops. I actually may, if I get like a 26,000 ad, I may just have like 35 points of risk and have my stops like right below pre-market low. If we even get our setup. We might not get it. It might just bounce here and then move on up. There is a scenario, guys, where if we got an aggressive push up here, solid upside candle with a rising volume, we could try longs with stops below like 20. There is a scenario where that becomes a possibility. There is a scenario where that becomes a possibility. We'll see.
No way it's going to miss my entry by 10 points, team pool.
I know. There's a scenario we might maybe be able to get a long entry if we can get some more volume on this candle, have a strong close, retest pre-market high, just keep stops below like 20. It's a little higher risk, but it's a possibility.
Go to high day.
It is a possibility now, guys. If we close this candle up here, that we come retest this, try the longs with stops below this candle here. It's a little higher risk, so I'm not going to put on my full size if I do take that. We already took out pre-market high. You're basically trying to capitalize on continuation of trend to the upside. We don't have...
If I go back to this 43 area, I'm going to try some more.
Yep, that's what I'm watching too. We haven't been up here in a minute. Yep, 43 areas where you'd want to watch now. With stops below like 20. You guys see why that's the main watch right now? Because if you retest this pre-market high, you go below this 20, you likely head lower into the 15-minute high in this range here. But you're basically trying to catch a little higher risk entry up here for potential continuation up. I don't love the setup, but it's worth watching with a little less size, in my opinion. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here on the free live streams. I trade live every single day. If you're on TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow button in the top left corner. I give you guys all my trades, all my education, and all of my systematic principles and processes every single day. All you got to do is hit that follow button. If you're on TikTok or if you're on YouTube, same thing. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. Turn those notifications on, and let's get it. Appreciate y'all's support more than you know. Choose DOD. You're watching the right stream. Yep, I appreciate that. We've had a lot of our traders getting payouts. A lot of our traders making progress. All right, let's see. Stay impatient. Come on. Give me my A+ setup. Ugh. I was gonna sneeze. Thought I was gonna sneeze. Woo.
Bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. I'm actually probably going to be trading micros if the setup confirms, so I can have more room to scale in and out.
We're still going for this 43.
Yeah, I'm open to trying it. I'm 100% willing to start the day red if it doesn't work out.
We're stopping at 20.
Yeah,
Use that range high.
that would make the most sense. Could always look for a second setup too if we pull back deeper, and then if we miss the first two, just start over two. Had a good day yesterday. Made like $3 grand, a little over $3 grand. So I'm not gonna put all that at risk, but maybe put like 500-700 up for risk to make 1,000 to 1,500. If the trade goes well, 2,000 plus. Go for like a 2R.
We continue.
Yesterday's trade was a banger. What you guys got to remember is that I don't shoot for home runs, guys. If I can make a rack, 2 racks, 3 racks on my live account every day, if I can make 10, 15 grand a week trading, that's massive money for me. It's freedom. I've been that trader that has 10, 20, 30K days consistently, and I could size back up to there, but why put that stress on? Especially when I'm giving every trade I take live. That's how I think of things.
A lot of back and forth this week on the divergences, everyone. I think it's due to the big earnings and FOMC. Just a lot of regular stuff.
Hey, just so y'all know, YouTube, I'm very happy to see we got like 1,300 people here. We're growing, baby. We're growing. I will always do my best to help you guys choose DOD and help you guys make progress in your trading and in your life. Thank you guys for everyone who's been here since the start of just like 100 views at a time. It means the world to me. DOD for life. I'm still open to this pullback. So, John, the thing about the TikTok is when I've been trying to tweak some things so it doesn't restrict these charts. That's why I've been saying at the start of every stream, I'm like, all right, this is not financial advice. This is simulated trading, which, by the way, TikTok algorithm, this is simulated trading, not financial advice. This is authentic live, and so it reaches more people. We need every trader in the world to know DOD to become a liability for these prop firms. It's not going to give us it, huh? Yo, if you've been looking to get an Apex account, I just got word they're 90% off again. If you guys have been looking to get an Apex account, 90% off is back, baby. Let's go. That's the same firm I got a $50,000 payout from. Go get yourself an account. Let's see if we can catch a trade together. You guys pass today since it has 1 day pass. If you use code Jdun, we have lots of traders getting paid out with Apex in our stream. Curious, we usually have a few. Is anyone here in the YouTube stream? Has anyone been paid out by Apex in the last month? Usually there's at least a few that come in every day. RT trades, there's one. RT's been crushing it. Crushing it with Team Bull. Going to get my 4. When you use code Jdun, you get payout protection. Right now, they're 90% off. Having your 4th Apex payout this week.
All right, game here.
Trade up to... This is major. It's been a while. We need a big, fat trade, everybody. We need a pullback and a big, fat trade.
Yes, we do.
Yep, $65 activation fee. If you guys all want to take the next trade with me, go get yourself an Apex account, a 50K account for $19. Literally not even $20 you can trade with me, guys. Not even $20, $19.70. Use this link that I pinned in chat. If you pass your Apex account for $20, activation $65, your all-in cost is less than $100. That's crazy. I don't like how we're hanging out up here for this 43 bounce. It's still a possibility, but it's just definitely a bit, we have a bit less edge in the trade.
Will they give us enough pullback?
We'll see.
All right.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. We're working on it.
This bounces here.
We could bounce here, guys. Here's the deal: is we could bounce at 43. If we're gonna try this trade, right? If I'm gonna take this at 40, I just must have stops below 20. So I'm saying I'm willing to try it potentially, but just keep lower risk on.
It's gonna pull back.
I'm not sure if we get it either. We'll see.
It's teasing us.
Don't love what I'm seeing here, but it could be worth a try. We'll see if we get this deeper pullback into this level.
Can we try it?
Not yet.
I'm watching here.
I'm trying a small piece of longs. Tried it. Stops below 20. I'm only trading micros though today, guys. So if I let's see here.
I'm gonna try some as well here.
Yep, I have stops set at 20. I have stops set at 20. A little higher risk. We'd have to see high a day to trim. Well, actually not technically. We'd have to see like above I got a good fill in that. 42. 6. We just have to see above 62 for a 1-to-1. I'd like to see high a day though. That'd put us at 1.5 R. I do have hard stops at 20, so if it goes to 20, I'll get stopped out for a loss, everybody.
It'd be nice to get 26,100 out this year. That'd
It'd be great.
ideal.
Yep. I have a hard, I'll get stopped market at 20 if we go down there. I'm only trading micros today, so a little less risk on. I'm gonna want to see a bigger move out of this. Congrats, Broncos going to the Super Bowl. Ha ha ha. Very funny. Dick.
I only have 10 MAQ on this trade over my personal. Hopefully I don't close back below this pre-market low, or high here, rather.
Yeah, we'll see. The trade has a good probability to me. It's obviously less risk on with the size, but I'd be bummed if I didn't take this and then we went to high a day. That's how I look at it. So yeah, we might flush this level and close below or get stopped out at 20, but when I can put 20, 25 points of risk on, I have a good setup, confirm my volume and a key level. I'm going to try it regardless. It is higher risk though, given that we kind of consolidated it up here a bit, but I tried it. I'd like to see above 62 minimum for. We have to go above the 62 minimum for 1-to-1. There we go. Come on, just get one push up to high a day. Is that too much to ask for? We got like 10 points, but not nearly enough to trim. Not nearly enough to take anything off. Not for me. Hopefully we don't close below this level. That would not be good in the 5-minute, especially with higher volume. I might have to stop it early if that happened. Ooh, that's not good, guys. That's not what I want to see, but I'm going to keep my original stop in place. Original plans in place. We would add higher volume on that candle. I likely would have just moved my stops up to like, well, that's not even any risk. Maybe like 36. Bless you.
Thank you.
Original plans in place. I want to see above 62 for any even thinking about any sort of trim, but that's just 1-to-1.
Hope it goes nuclear, dude.
What?
I hope it goes nuclear, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Walking dog.
Got to break above this 58. If we can't, it's going to be a problem. Again, we're green right now, but not enough to take anything off. Not enough to take anything off, guys. The risk reward wouldn't make sense for me, how I trade. We need to move into 60s for any sort of trim for me. You manage your trades how you see fit. I'd rather get stopped out after being a little green than take my profit too early and skew my risk reward.
I'm thinking about moving my stop to entry with this price action here. Not liking it too much.
I thought about it too.
Oh, you may get your trim up here, Jdun.
All right, we're at 1-to-1, guys. I'm going to take a few contracts off. I'm going to take a few of my contracts off, guys. Again, I'm trading micros today, so I have the ability to trim a little more. We're at 1-to-1 right here. Again, this is the minimum for trimming, is 1-to-1 always. I'd rather see 1.5 R, so like high of day. But we got 1-to-1 up here. I'm going to move my...
Definitely put my stop at entry.
Yeah, I'm moving my stops up a little too to 36. So green trade guaranteed. I'd like to see high a day though. That would be closer to 1.5 R. The minimum trim was at up above that 60. I'd like to see continuation of the upside. We just got that initial price target up there. All right, Gene, want to come say hi quick? My stops are set, so you don't got to worry about that. If we get to high a day, you can trim again for me.
Okay.
You can. It's already set. Manage, Gene. Don't you dare full port.
What's up, guys?
You said the full port, Gene.
Oh, I know. I'm full porting.
I'm being greedy here when I'm waiting on high day. It could come back and hit my entry. I move my stop to entry.
I'm not even trading this morning.
I'm up $380 currently. You're not trading? What's up?
No, I'm being conservative. I don't want to go red and risk one of my days for my payout. Yeah. Yup. Should have like payout over a little bit over $3,000. First one of the year.
Right, everyone. You ready, Trump?
I'm ready.
Close enough. I trimmed, but my stop, I'm gonna leave my stop at entry. Give it a little room here. I sold half my position. I now have 5 MNQ remaining.
I'm moving, I'm moving out. Keep rolling up. Are we moving? Yeah! I got it. Hey, I got it. Let's go! Trimming again up here, guys. Perfect timing. Woo! Let's go. Let's trim up here, guys. Tell me what you gonna do now. Move it. Move it. Second price target achieved, guys. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling up. 40 points almost. I told y'all. You get them Apex accounts, get your funded accounts. I'll help you pass. I got you. Biscuit is right here. We're on a roll, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Stops are moved above break even. Stops are moved up here. Let's go. Let's let it roll or stop out. Back up. Tell me what you gonna do now. All right, guys. Here's the deal. Let's get some positive energy flowing. If you guys made some money on that, type in chat how much y'all are up, baby. Clear, transparent, 40 points so far moving. What are we up so far? Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Let's get the energy flowing. How much did you guys make on that with me? 200, 1,500 times 4, 2,300, 900, 920, 200, 180, 265. DOD, baby, 582, 163, 328, 350 traded by eval. 90 times 20, 176. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We're hot, baby. We're hot, baby. We're moving still. And we're getting better and better. I'm telling you, every day we choose DOD. Back up and tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling up. Stops are set, guys. I'm letting the rest of this ride. I'm letting the rest of this ride. Count myself players. Hot mamas. Let's go. I would not enter up here. We want to see high out of this. Let's get 26,100. Price target's been achieved. That's great. We want more. If you guys missed this trade, for one, I'm going to explain it to you. And for two, guys, this is a repeatable setup. There's no need to have FOMO. The setup's going to come again and again and again. As long as you allow yourself to have the patience to catch it the next time it comes. There's no need for FOMO on a good A+ setup that will repeat itself over and over again. That's what you guys got to remember. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 90% off. If you guys just made money on that with me or learned something, go get yourself an account. It's $19.70 for an Apex Trade of 850K account right now. If you guys go get, there we go. If you guys get yourself an account, if you guys get yourself an account, you can take my next trade with me. I give you winning trades and education. You guys use code Jdun. Come on. Beautiful, bro. That was so awesome. So awesome, bro. That was so fire, guys. That's DOD, baby. I got my stop at let me clear this. I got my stop at 60. Actually, correction, at 58. Yup. Beautiful trade, guys. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, this would have been an eval passer for Apex. If any of you got an Apex account, you guys just made a lot of progress on it. It's 90% off right now. You can get a Trade of 8 50K Apex account for $19.70. Made $800. Let's go. I got you, baby. Show up every day and learn. That's what I care about most. Because I want you guys to learn so you can do this yourself. I appreciate all you guys supporting. You choose the Trade of 8 50K account. You're funny, Kai. Let's still stop set, baby. Let's let this ride. Textbook setup, baby. DOD pays every day. We had to put the Limp Biscuit on. Let's go. All right. I'm going to be reviewing this trade in a few minutes, guys. If you're on the TikTok, you can head on over to YouTube. Jdun Trades. That's where the trade recap's going to be live. So if you guys head on over to my YouTube live, you'll find it. It's where the full screen. It's where the full screen share is. You can see part of it on here, but when I'm zooming in and out, it's kind of hard to tell. Hey, you're welcome, baby. Good shit paid on. You're welcome, bro. I got you. We have fun. We choose DOD. Because if you're on Apex and you're taking advantage of the 90% deal, you got to use your login credentials from Apex to get on Trade of 8. Where's a good place to enter again? Honestly, I would not chase this. I would wait till an A+ setup later on. Honestly, for me, I don't see anything right now that I like. Yep, there's our price target coming. Taking a few more contracts up once we hit 100. My stops are all trailed up. Textbook repeatable setup. You'll love to see it. We're going to get that pop above 26,100. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on.
We'll get the push up here. We'll be out of this trade when we do. All right, I closed it. Close enough. Trade's over for me. We'll be out. Can continue, but only had 2 M&Q remaining.
I still got my stops in, guys. I'm holding. I want to see a pop above 26,100. Beautiful winning trade, guys. If you guys want to take my next trade with me as soon as tomorrow, go get yourself an Apex Trade of 8 50K account. Only $19. It's the cheapest. Well, not the cheapest. The second cheapest account they have. You can use code Jdun at checkout for payout protection. We have lots of traders getting paid out by Apex in the best discount. Don't. Yep. So here's the why of that trade. So originally we start the day off. We get an aggressive move up above that 15-minute high, above 26,000 whole psych number with rising volume, right? So this is step one. We notice that. We notice this, okay? That sets the tone that there's a very high probability that we continue up. We don't get a pullback down into that zone, so we don't chase it to the upside. We then get an aggressive 5-minute candle up above pre-market high, long wick, strong body, rising volume. All right? Let's see here. There. Okay. Rising volume on this candle. So, given that we have rising volume here, we have rising volume on this first push up, that tells me there's a high probability that if we come back down and retest this pre-market high key level, we can enter longs. We can put our stops below this 20, below that wick low, below the trend-setting candle wick low, and target high a day out of this. The whole point of my strategy and what I try to do every day is I want to catch the trend move to the upside or to the downside. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to have 10 different confirmations. You look for A-plus systematic setups that you can repeat on a daily basis. And when you do that, and when you don't blow yourself up on the times that it loses, that's how you become consistently profitable. The market moves very similar almost every day, right? We catch higher lows and lower highs. We'll take the setup 10 times. It might fail us 4 of those times, 3 of those times, 5 or 6 of those times. But in the times it wins, we're going to maximize our wins. We're going to keep our losses contained in the times it loses, and that's how you become consistently profitable. That's what it's about, guys. You're not going to have a 100% win rate. Even the best trades, the best strategies are going to lose sometimes.
679, stop loss.
Appreciate all y'all being here. As a reminder, guys, I'm live for the TikTok fam. I'm live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. I have tons of free strategy videos. I have a free course. I'm live there every day as well. There's no reason you guys shouldn't be subscribed. I mean, you can call it gamble, but everything with risk in life has, you could argue, is gamble, right? $60-point trade almost. I do educated, systematic guessing. Everything's a guess. There's risk in every trade you take. Oh, my stops are at 58 on the rest. Let's go, baby. Yep, I will have my trade recap up as well on my YouTube channel today, too. All of it on my backup YouTube channel, though. I got y'all, baby. Yeah, trade smart, trade safe with it, Mr. Carlos. That's my recommendation. Choose DOD, my bro.
Oh, for me, people. One good trade.
You out of here?
Unless you say something else.
Well, I'll be around for like 30 more minutes. I told myself I was going to stream till 9:30 here, Mountain Time, so I'm going to stay on.
Maybe with the daughter. Pick her to eat or something.
We'll take it, baby. I know two things for certain. One, we made a bag today. DOD paid us today, and two, the Seahawks are going to wipe the Patriots. We need the Seahawks to come in and use Drake May jersey as a rag, as a doormat. My Bronco, I'm a salty Broncos fan. That's what I am.
When was the last time the Broncos won it? Who was their quarterback?
Peyton Manning, baby.
Oh, yeah. Anybody know where he played college ball?
I think Nebraska, right?
Yeah, man, he was a so nice stop losses in power.
You say I missed? Let's see.
Great trade today, everybody. That was awesome. That was great. And that makes me really happy, bro. I always watch you and recommend everybody to come watch your live trading daily. Anyways, great trade today, bro. I've made 1245 times 3 accounts with you today. Keep it up, and thanks a lot, brother. I appreciate when you guys bring in your friends, guys. If you guys have a friend that you think needs to learn how to trade, needs DOD in their life, I appreciate you recommending them to this live. You can bring these people in with full confidence they will get value from what I teach and what we do every day. So I appreciate you guys bringing your friends in, looking out for your fam. It means a lot to me, and I'll always do my best to make you look good. I'll say, wow, thank you for showing me Jdun and DOD. I wish you would have showed me this 2 weeks ago. I really appreciate you guys spreading the word of mouth about our live stream. We're trying to build to the biggest and the largest out there. And the most valuable. That's the most important. Very happy to have found your lives and learning more every day and on my way to first payout. It's awesome. Let's go, Jandy. Going to purchase an Apex account for the first time. Do you have any specific advice for a first timer? Well, make sure you guys are taking profits on the way up with the intraday drawdown. Very important. Still in this trade, guys. Stops at 58. If I would have been full size with my minis when we got that 60-point move, almost, man, what a baller day. So we'll take it. A few racks a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. Great trade, Jdun, but Patriots for the win is crazy. Wow. Before I found Jdun, I did not trust DOD. My win rate was 30%, but now my win rate is 80%. Wow, DOD rocks. Let's go. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 90% off right now. You guys can use code Jdun for the best possible discount and payout protection. We have lots of traders getting paid out from them. I recommend the 50K Trade Evade account. It's only $19.70 after using code Jdun. If you choose the Trade Evade 50K account and use code Jdun, it will only be $19.70. Very cheap. Best account for the day, for sure. That's definitely the funding deal of the day. Apex does have an activation fee. I think it's like $65 right now. prepared now. Sing everything's gonna be fine. Where? Two-way. Lips dry. For me, for myself. I recommend the Trade of 8 plan for Apex, but that's just because I like Trade of 8. What's up, Gene? Apex has the plan. The discounts with Apex. Using code Jdun, JDUN. Code Jdun will work on Tradeify as well and Alpha Futures. What a nice day so far. How was everyone's morning? See if we can get above 100. It's all about following the trend, baby. It's all about following the trend. Thank you a bunch for all the support. When I went to Russia Trade, you always, they're saying we choose DOD, so let's stay patient. You were a great mentor, brother. Watch you from Canada. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate all y'all being here with Team Bull, rocking with me. I love helping y'all each and every morning. Love watching y'all each and every morning. Not a bad idea, too, guys, if you want to move your stops a bit to like 63 now.
Yeah, my stop is 100.
If you guys want to take my next trade with me, you can use code Jdun on Apex for 90% off. The trade of 850Ks are only $19. No brainer. Makes more sense than the 100K. If you want a bit more drawdown, you can choose the 150K. That's fine. My short and no. I'm still in my longs from earlier. What is Gene doing out there? Let's see if we can get a push up, baby. Oh, Gene's inside. He's 90% off is for all of their plans. I just recommend the 50K for you because it gives you the best probability to win out of the 150K. A lot of people will tell you to get the more expensive plan because they want you to spend more money. Not Jdun. You can spend $20, get yourself a 50K Trade account. You can buy up to 20, though a lot of you guys have no right trading 20 accounts at a time, respectfully. And lower your risk, higher your potential of getting funded and getting paid. You have to use code Jdun to get the $19 price. Like people will tell you, get the 300K account, it's the best because it's cheap and or it's because it's on sale, and that's just not true. This was my final price target up here, guys. This 26,100 break. On the lock and key. I know, but you also have a higher profit target with that increased drawdown. That's the problem. I appreciate the message, AEX Edits. You can send me some of your work, sure. Jdun Trades on IG is where I answer DMs. Yes, but you use code JDON, it goes down to $19.70. You have to use the discount code, my friend. And I appreciate when you guys support, by the way. It's never taken for granted. I always will do my best to help you guys choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, and stay focused. I am on YouTube. The YouTube live is up every day too. It's one of my 2 free live streams. Jdun Trades on YouTube. If you guys just found me on TikTok, the full screen live is on YouTube. The cool thing about TikTok is it shows a lot of new people. The algorithm is a bit better about showing new people the live. And we have a lot of regulars that come into YouTube because it's a full screen share. It's a better quality live.
The Dutchman stop loss still waiting.
It depends. Someone asked about Alpha or Apex. Alpha is a bit more user friendly, more like Top Step. Apex is more scalable and cheaper. Barrier of entry. You can use code JDON on both. My partnerships are with Alpha, Apex, and Tradeify. Thank you for the cowboy hat, whoever just sent that. Y'all are funny. Need rogue codes back, huh? Everyone keeps asking for them. I love you guys so much. More than you could ever understand. The quarterback front, y'all are crazy sending me gifts. I really appreciate it. Certainly never expected or necessary, but the cowboy hat too. Y'all are so funny. Thank you. I'll pay it forward. I'll give the money away. I swear, every time we talk about pay done being in the house, we've been getting paid. And I've made $4 live off those. Hit my last TP and thank God first eval passed ever. Let's go, Uncle Jay. That's dope. This was my final price target above this 26,100. Got a wall here. This was it, guys. This was it. I got to leave in 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and close this out up here. If you guys want to keep it running, you can. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, Prammy. Jdun's the reason I'm consistent after 2 years going through mental health for life. DOD for life, baby. Man, that makes me so happy, bro. Get some fire emojis on that. Let's react that up, baby. Come on. Shout out my boy Prammy. That's dope. Get those fire emojis up, baby. Everything goes in a place line. 2 racks on the day. We'll take it, baby. It would have been, if I had full size, man. In a downside setup, which I put a little more size on. Let's go. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. So for me, I said maybe, baby, please. So fire. Oh my gosh, look at that move. That's how you catch the trend, baby. So awesome. So baller. It's all about DOD, guys. It's not about being perfect, not about having a secret strategy. It's about having DOD, discipline over dopamine. Pace yourself for me. Let's see here. Pram said, Jdun's the reason I'm consistent. Well, your grind is the reason you're consistent. I'm glad I could be helped, though. It's all about just not blowing yourself up, guys. It's almost like I know what I'm talking about when you guys come in and listen every day and commit to the process. Like if you commit to a month of just listening to me every day and to what I preach and to the systems that I try to teach you, you will see improvement. You just will. It would be very hard for you not to. Right? I need some Mr. Brightside. That's what I need in my life. Because I want it all. Full of to the sea. I've been doing just fine because I want it all. Starting out with a kiss, end up like this. Am I long? We longed earlier, baby. I love seeing those nice messages, nice messages from you guys. Seriously, it means the world. To be your mentors. Activity. What's up, Gene? What are you doing? Oh, who we going for the Super Bowl, baby? Come on. Seahawks Nation, let's ride. Seahawks Country, let's ride. We killed it this morning, guys. It is going to be time to get off here in like 6 minutes. I promised y'all I'd stream for 2 hours till 9:30 Mountain Time, 11:30 Eastern Time. That's what we're doing. That is hilarious, bro. All right, guys. Here's the deal. I'm going to repost that. Oh, yeah. That's what we need, baby. Oh, y'all are tired of politics. Well, I got you. There's a new ticket in town for 2028. Who's all voting for this party right here? Hold on, I'll give you guys it too, TikTok. Don't worry. Who's voting for Jdun and Grizzly 2028? Do I have your vote? Here's the new party for y'all. There you go. Jdun Trades, making America profitable again. It's your boy Jdun Trades here, making America profitable again. Trading accounts and fundeds for everybody. We choose DOD together. Oh, y'all are hilarious. Making America profitable again. Yeah. What's activation fee? And lastly, I leave you with this remark. Order filled. That's my campaign right there. Make volatility great again. Make volatility great again. Don't. It's awesome, Kengo. Enjoy your day, bro. It's great. I'm going to get off here like right now. That's it. We're running for office. The DOD party. Atlanta for a Team Bull meetup. That'd be dope. I'd be down to go to Atlanta. I've only passed through. Never actually been there and seen the city, but I'd be down. All right, guys. I'm going to get out of here. Trade smart, trade safe. I'm glad we could catch a winner today. As a reminder, Apex 90% off is active. So if you guys want to trade futures with me tomorrow, I recommend the 50K Trade of 8 account from Apex. It's $19 with code JDUN. Let's catch another winner tomorrow, all right? God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose DOD. Do something positive for yourself. Meditate. eat a healthy meal, pray, go to the gym, advance yourself and advance your life today. God bless y'all. Peace. Peace, peace, peace.